Yo, what's up, YouTube world? It's your boy OG Big E with the 69 T-Bird looking at you again. I know it has been a minute, it's been longer than a minute, but just having some issues moving along. Been very frustrating. So this video is going to be about primarily about what to do when you get into this industry. I started out in this thing by myself, not knowing all the ins and outs, as green as a blade of fresh green grass. But it's a lot to it, so that's why I understand when I got into Candy on Chrome and all these other videos on TV, Stitch by Slick, Reese. It's just so many on CJ on 32s, Spray Customs in Alabama. It's a lot, man, because you get these people out here that say they're gonna do a thing and they don't. So I'm gonna show you where my T-Bird is right now. I believe, as far as I understand, about 80 to 85% done. But I'm gonna have to wait. I don't think it's gonna happen this year, folks. I wanted to get down there to Slick by Stitch car show, celebrity car show in South Carolina. Where is it at? Lancaster, South Carolina. It's on July 15th of 2023. That's next week. I was hoping to get down here with my car because the guy said that he would be finished with my project by my birthday, which is March, late part of March. But that didn't happen, and we had a falling out, and he tried to jack me and saying what he's going to do and never did it. So I just had to get my car, so I'm going to let you guys see it. So this is where we are. And next to it is my 95 Aurora, which that's going to be my next project. I got several projects I want to do, but hopefully in the coming future I'll find a better direction and a more straight, direct direction, because these guys up here in South Jersey, at least the ones that I've fallen into and dealt with, just don't have it. So hold on just a second. So, here's the car. Take it off. Looking at the 69 Ford Thunderbird as I unwrap it. We'll get a little closer so you can see it. I did a video with them installing it. So that's the engine that's been rebuilt. Transmission is in there. You see the aluminum. American aluminum radiator. And I just got to button it up. Put the cowl on it, the hood on it. You see the top. I got, since it's been parked here now a little over 4 weeks. I know it's been over a month. So I got the guy to come and put the windshield back in for me. He put the front and he put the back in. So I'm gonna go ahead on and put the chrome around the windows myself. I believe I can do that. The clips are right there. I don't know if you can see it right here. The clips right there, on the side. In my trunk, I don't know if you can see, that's my rear sway bar I got. They did also put my new suspension, my rear suspension in with the lower control arm, upper control arms, new springs. But I have to get it all waxed and detailed. And inside here is the other windows that you see right here to be back installed. So it's already got the dampening system, to keep the noise down, low vibration, stuff like that. It's already in it. So I gotta get my dash. Oops, excuse me, people. Gotta get my dash put in there. You can see that. Let it clear up a little bit. Put that back in. So that's where I'm at, people. I'm very frustrated. I understand now what Candy on Chrome mean when they say this is a stressful game. It's not the game, it's the people that's in the game. And my opinion, for what I experienced in the last 5 years, going on 6, is make sure you check the people out very thoroughly who you're going to do business with. My opinion is make sure that they have a clientele, they have an honest rep, they got followers, they got things that you can go on media with and check and see how good their work is, what kind of custom work they do, what's their personality, their character, their integrity, because you got a lot of clowns out here just like with anything else. And they say they're going to do a thing and they haven't. I got the guy that said he was going to finish this up by my birthday. He brought my stuff back, but I have issues with him getting my bumper back. Why he doesn't want to give it to me is beyond me. He's even, this guy's so bad, he even disconnected his cell phone so you don't get in contact with him. And you make sure these people aren't like, no offense to gypsies or anything, that they don't move around all the time. They have a steady place of employment. Their business has been established. You know what I mean? They got a good reputation. This guy here that I named, I didn't name him. And, he's treating me like, it wasn't the money. And maybe it was too much for him to do. I don't know. But this is where I am. He said he's going to do a thing, then he just starts lying and procrastinating. And the guy's name is George, and he's out here in South Jersey. A young fella. I guess he was trying to get out there and get himself together, but he don't know how to manage, he didn't know how to business. And I put his name out there because he's bad business. I don't want nobody to have to deal with what I'm dealing with him, just to get what belongs to you, to me. Why can't he just give me my bumper and my and the rest of my parts in my car so I can move forward? So I'm already checking out some other people, but it's going to be a minute, and it doesn't look like it's going to be this year. So this is where I'm at, people. I have all the accessories, I have all the interior. I was going to show all that probably in the next video. I got all the interior, I got the seats completely done, all the door panels, everything. I got all the parts. I just need somebody to button me up. Power seats, I got a vintage air installed, but they got to be connected. And that's it. I got my wheels and tires, everything. I already have that. So that's where I'm at, people. I've said it before, I'm saying it again, and it is very frustrating. It is very stressful because I really wanted to get out there this year. I really thought that was going to happen. This guy sold me so many dreams and hopes and then just flushed them all down the toilet. So, like I said, when you out here, you're going to be excited. You might be a little impatient, but you're going to have to hold your horses. Just don't jump out there and throw your project to anybody because they're looking more at the dollar sign than anything, you know. So I may have missed some things and maybe I'll follow back up again because I just did this spontaneous because I'm super frustrated that I can't get this car finished and this guy who I last dealt with doesn't want to give me my parts back. And I know it doesn't make sense. I don't owe him any money or any of that stuff. And all I'm asking, if he can't bring it, let me go get it. So it might have to be some law issues involved. But that's it. Maybe, not maybe, definitely next year. Like I said, I'm definitely looking very thorough for the next people to do it. I'm even thinking about my man in South Carolina, Stitch by Slick. If I have to ship it down there to make it happen. You know, I like what I see with his work and stuff. Probably big money. But I also know too, if you want it done right, you're gonna have to spend some cake. I just hope I got enough money for the recipe. All right, people, that's it. Thanks for checking me out. I thank my followers and the supporters that I have. Trying to build that up too. Right now I'm at 183 subscribers. I would like to get to 300 before the year's out at least, but we'll see what happens. All right, peace. Again, people, I want to thank you. I want to thank my followers and my supporters. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you can get something from it if you're coming out into this game. Again, I want to thank you, and those who first just seeing this video, please hit the like button, subscribe. I really appreciate it a lot. I'm just a little guy, little guy trying to get out there and get involved into the culture. Starting the game late, but hey, late is better than never. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Appreciate it. Your boy.